Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Al-Shamari. I'm a registered dental hygienist in the state of Florida and a foreign trained dentist from Iraq. So I thought about making this video so I can provide some information for anybody who's asking on how to get the dental hygiene license if you're a foreign trained dentist. So the first thing you need to do is create an account in the CDCA website. Create your profile, put in all your information, upload your picture. After that, it will say profile needs to be verified. Next, you go to the Florida Dental Board website. There is a form, you print it. It's called Request for Graduate Assessment or Information of Credentials. At the end of this form, it shows like the documents that you need to send to the Florida website, the Florida board. So you fill this form, you send it in the mail with a copy of your diploma, copy of your transcript, copy of your ECE report. Electronically from the ADA website, you need to send your board results. You have two options. You can either take the dental hygiene board, or you can take the part 1 and part 2, and you send those electronic results to the Florida Dental Board website. Now, after they get those, they get everything, you're gonna get an email with a verification that says you're eligible to take the ADEX exam, and in that email there's a PDF attachment. You take that PDF and you go back to your CDCA website. In your website and the profile, you upload that PDF document. A week later, it's gonna tell you that you're eligible to take the ADEX exam, and then you can book it from the CDCA website. ADEX exam, clinical and written. There's also Florida laws and ethics. You need to pass all these exams to be eligible to apply for the license. It doesn't matter if you can take the clinical before the written. Any order is fine. With the written test, the written and the laws and ethics, you can take those at any parametric center. The ADEX clinical, you take that at pretty much every state has a testing location. Pick a location that's convenient to you. Just keep in mind that some locations provide instruments and some ask you to bring your own instruments. And after you pass all of the tests, you go back to the Florida Dental Board website, and you apply for the dental hygiene license. You pay the fees. Then 1 week later, you're gonna get the license in your email, and you're gonna get the physical copy sometimes later. But once you get that email, you should be good to go, and you can work as a hygienist. So a couple of notes to mention. The ADEX clinical exam is probably the trickiest part. Make sure to select your patient well. The patient selection is pretty much number one. They ask you to provide a patient with subgingival calculus, and basically the whole exam is you clean 1 quad and 2 supplemental teeth. It doesn't matter where they are. Some testing locations, they offer you the option, for them to numb your patient. I did that myself, and I took my exam in Utah, and they do that. You basically pay somebody to numb your patient, which is very, very important, because otherwise your patient is going to feel a lot of discomfort while you're doing the SRP. And I can't think of anything else to mention. Well, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, or if you need help with anything else, just reach out to me, and I'll be happy to assist you. Good luck to everyone, and wish you all the best. Take care.